Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Salemi, and I'm here with 7th grade technology. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are unboxing today. So, Mason, tell us about the box.
Crow gave us a projector.
And Crow is
Mr. Crowley.
okay.
I don't really know. We don't know what's in here yet. I think it's a projector.
All right, let's find out.
I might break it, honestly.
Well, let's be careful.
I think it's a projector. I don't really know.
Let's see. Move the box so I can get it in a shot. That's perfect. Thank you.
It looks like the other one. So.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to get everybody in the shot.
Just a kid. I think I'm gonna break it.
Well, let's not break it. There you go.
More boxes.
Wow, so what was this contraption used for, do you think?
Movies.
Maybe. Okay. Where did the movie go? Where do you put the DVD?
I don't think it's a DVD. If this was made like
That's right.
1400s.
So how did they... 1400s? I'm not sure it's that old.
Is this the charger?
Oh, okay.
Well, that would be the power source.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's probably a button that'll.
Oh.
I know, but like that'll make a disc come out. I mean, not a disc.
Yeah, not a disc.
Like, where's the?
The Blu-ray.
I know, but where would it be?
Hang on, let me see.
You had to put like film in it, right?
Yeah.
I know, but.
Okay, I guess maybe the film part goes here.
Oh yeah, and you just like
The
feed
reel.
it in. I
Yeah,
guess.
and that's where you feed the reel of film. That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's, yep, there it is.
Okay, that makes sense.
All right, cool. Well, we unboxed. Now it's time to put it back in the box. Say goodbye, 7th grade.
Yeah.
Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Action.
Thanks, Crow.
Thank you, Mr. Crowley.